Alright, good morning. You guys see it's still doing pretty good. I think gas prices are coming back up a little bit. Dcth with 66 shares, I made $2 profit. So that's what it is. I bought it for $3.23. I sold them for $5.64. 66 shares. That's pretty crazy. But anyways, just wanted to show that real quick because it's my first play of the day. So let's keep this moving along. Alright, so we'll start here with UWT. I cut out of UWT for a profit. I cut out of USO for a profit so I can have cash available to be able to do a day trade today. So I'm out seeking what stock I want to day trade today. I was looking at Jnug, and Jnug took off while I was watching. So I didn't get to hop in there, but that was definitely going to be my day trade. So I'm waiting for that possibly to come back down or something else. I'm keeping an eye out, but we'll see what happens. Let's take a quick commercial break. This commercial break is brought to you by gearspot26.com, where you get custom everything. From all of your custom professional wrestling needs, to beautiful leggings and custom shirts, check it out. gearspot26.com. Alright, so I either just did one of two things, made a very good decision or made a very bad decision. But we're going to have to wait till the end of the day to see where this pans out. Definitely down in Jnug a little bit. I think it may have been a bad decision. But we're going to see. Level 2 is not looking too good. It's already breaking in to 1758. We'll see. I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Well, to my surprise, Jnug has taken quite a bit of a dip. cetx taking a dip. GoPro's taking a little bit of a dip, but it's not below my purchase price. So seems like I'm going to be holding overnight. I'm still up only $1.63 at the moment. I'm sure some action will happen in the aftermarket. So let's wait around and see. Then I'll get this together and get this for you guys. Hopefully you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and check this shit out. Alright, with 20 seconds left in the market, I'm up $1.84. Jnug has taken a pretty drastic dip. Let's break below the line that I've set for the day. GoPro's still up there, straggling, but it's gone up a bit. cetx, I was watching, there's the close of the market. I was watching Fossil. Fossil took that dip that I was looking for, but I had no available funds. So let's see what happens in the aftermarket. And well, I see cetx came back up. The aftermarket didn't end up so well. I'm up about $1.49, almost $1.50. Definitely hoping that this is gonna do pretty good tomorrow. I mean, I'll find a place to hop out, use it as a swing trade. I didn't get to do a day trade for the day, so I still have a day trade available, and I'll have another one available tomorrow. So not too much. I know Snapchat had some news this morning. They had a big blockbuster deal with Time Warner. So we're going to see what that means for the stock. And I mean, there are certain dates coming up to watch out for as far as Snapchat comes. I know at the end of this month marks a date to where Snapchat employees can sell their stock. So it's definitely a day to watch out for. But I guess for the most part, it's going to be it for me for today. Today did end up being a quite busy day for a day off. You know, it's never a day off. You always have to be pushing yourself to do something and get into more different things that you're not used to. But until tomorrow, you guys, stay green. And we'll talk a little more tomorrow. Until then, stay green. Alright, well, we are entering here the power hour here shortly. Down under $1. I mean, it's been fluctuating. I know you can't see my chart. I don't know what's wrong with this phone. My other phone is working perfectly fine. So this is going to be pretty quickly, but today is Tuesday, June 20th. I know I'm putting both videos together because stuff happened yesterday. I didn't really get much of a chance to post it. A lot of distractions, and that's definitely a crutch sometimes, right? So no matter what, still get stuff done. So let's get this through and let's get this going real quick. Hopefully everybody's having a great green day. Now I am almost negative $3, but this is going to keep moving. Keep an eye on this. Let's see. Alright, so let's begin with Jnug. Jnug today never got to reach above the $18 mark. Not even the $17.50 by the time that it did open. I got a couple alarms set here for whenever the price moves either up or down, because it'll be breaking into new ranges. But definitely be keeping an eye on this. I heard something about there being possible news tomorrow that could be affecting the gold market. I'm not too certain what that is or what. Not too certain. I'm gonna have to look into it further myself. I'm just putting that out there that there is supposed to be something tomorrow that is going to be influencing the market, either in a good way or in a bad way. I'm not sure. We're gonna have to see. So then Dcth has climbed all the way up to 30 cents. Sorry, I'm used to that being into the cents. So let's take a quick look at this a little further back, because I was playing around with Dcth back here. Oh, further back here. Right here. What does that say? 2 cents. 2 cents. From a low of 2 cents to now 30 cents. That is incredible gains. I wish that I would have held out on this. And only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the 9th trading day. Patience. You see this patient pays off? That is about a 500% gain. It's pretty crazy. Let's take a look at Snapchat. A lot of people like to talk about Snapchat, but I know that news that's coming up about Snapchat at the end of the month. Employees will be able to sell off their shares. So this hasn't really even broken up today. Today it came down from the open and it never really made it back up. So the story of Snapchat is gonna have to wait and see how it plays out. AMD had a pretty good day. It sucks that I wasn't a part of there. And then GoPro I had cut out of this morning, but now it's running a bit higher than where I did cut out. I know I sold out about $7.86, somewhere around there. So I made a bit of a profit. It was like $4, $5, $6. It wasn't too bad. It was a good trade, but overall, everything on my top of the watch list Definitely had great days today. So all this stuff is moving in upward. With CVNA, I know CVNA didn't have such a great day today either. But definitely keeping an eye on this because I'd like to get back into CVNA. If it goes back up to $20, it's got a high of $20.43. And the low today, $18.37. So we'll keep a close eye on this one. I like CVNA. I made about $45 or so off of this one when I traded it the last time. Could have made a lot more, but I cut my losses. I cut my profit pretty quickly so I can was afraid of where it was going to go. But Dcth is another one. I keep getting in here, get burned, I get out. And if I would have just held it, I know I had an average of less than 2 cents. Let's go back 20 days. The low was 0.0179. From that to that is ridiculous. And that's just a matter of a month or so. Like, that's just incredible. For those of you guys that did get to ride that train, congratulations. But for me, I'm going to cut this off here. Hopefully you guys are having a good green day. Let me take a look at my stock. I'm currently down $2.18 still. And we still have 4 minutes until the power hour starts. So I'm just going to get this up today so I get my opportunity. And you guys have a great green day. And see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so we are approaching the end of the market. And there we go. So I deposited $20. So overall for the day, I am down $3. A little over $3. I mean, this will change definitely. But let's take a look at something that works. Alright, so I know this phone's a little broken, but the chart's working on Robinhood on here. So Dcth, Jnug, and Dxtr. So we're going to see how these perform in the aftermarket and how they open up in the morning. And until tomorrow, you guys, stay green. And hopefully my Robinhood chart starts working on my phone. Peace.
Go ahead.